Yo, what's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, doing another Q&A for a fellow member. Let's read it out right now. He's working on a 59 Chevrolet Bel Air. Look at this thing. Well, it's not a Bel Air, it's an Impala. My mistake, cat eyes, Impala. Okay. Thank you for your videos. They've been very helpful. My question is, I'm going to be doing a two-tone paint job on a 59 Chevy Impala. I'm just playing around here. The fins on the car continues about 23 inches into the back door. So this is where he's talking about in this section right over here. Okay, let's get out of this thing. My question is, what would be the best way to paint the fin portion on the door, the top color, and then the rest of the door bottom color? I was thinking of doing what you did on the Miata, I think, where you spray the bottom panel of the car, mask it off, and paint it. That's exactly what you're going to be doing. I was wondering how long do I have to wait after putting down the base coat along with inner coat. You're probably not going to have to be using an inner coat. I want to spray the clear coat, and how long I have to wait to spray the clear coat. So it sounds like you're pretty much a newbie in painting, and this is where you're talking about the part. So basically, have the car ready for paint. It looks like you still have a long ways to go. Have the car ready for paint. Okay, I would actually paint. Let's look at the car. I would paint. You could do whatever you want. You could paint the white first, mask it up, and shoot the red. Probably what I would do. Or you can shoot the red, mask up the bottom of the car, and shoot the white. You know, you could do this over 2 days, or you could do it in 1 day. Depends on how you want to do it. I think you should basically prep the whole thing, get it ready for paint, and then base the white. No. I would base the white, okay, the whole white, the roof, this panel here, mask it up, okay, wait about 30 minutes for it to dry, mask it up, do all your red, take the paper off, and spray your clear coat. I mean, it's that easy. How long do you have to wait? I mean, clear coat, flash time, base coat is dry in like 35 minutes. Okay, so after you spray your base coat, 35 minutes, I would give it like 45 minutes before you start to mask around the area here. Okay, of course, your end lines are going to be between your chrome trim, so you're not going to see any of that, right? But that's where you would mask, in between the chrome trim. Okay, and then shoot your red. Wait about, like I said, 45 minutes, mask it, shoot your red, wait another 45 minutes, and then you can clear the whole thing. You're ready for clear. All right? Again, it seems that you're not VIP, so all you got to do is go to LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Okay, check out the VIP course. We have tons of information on this exact stuff, over 150 hours of step-by-step auto body, where you'll be able to learn the whole process. All right, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Again, you could do either or. Okay, you could even do the white 1 day, base coat and clear it. Do everything 1 day, mask it up, and then do the red base coat and clear it. Okay, or you could do the base, the white base, mask it, do the bottom base. Okay, take the paper off the top, and then clear the whole thing. And I actually did this on the mini truck project. I have YouTube videos of it actually at the blog here. Mini truck should be here, and I actually do it right here. I do it here in these videos. Two-tone. We two-toned it right here. Two-toned it exactly like this thing was actually a 3-tone. So, and we also gave away some spray guns that month. So I will actually include a link to this page here, because you're going to be able to see how to spray the base coat. You know, we did multi-tone base coat here. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you're brand new. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications on new videos that we do, Q&As and regular videos on auto body. And if you're brand new to this channel, again, don't forget to click here if you're watching on mobile to get a free 85-page auto body manual. There's a little drop down going to appear. Or if you're on desktop, click down below in the description. To get that, you'll actually go to a page that looks like this page here, Free DIY Auto Body Book, which is interactive, by the way. There's links that go out to other videos of mine and blog posts and so much more. All right, it's Tony here. Thank you. Hopefully this helped you. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.